So here's my question for you. Like, what if you could give your skin a second chance? What if there was some kind of alternative solution out there? What if you could look in the mirror and see that beautiful tan, but also know that you're not sacrificing that beauty for decades to come, where you could actually get that tan, that glow that you want, but you don't have to sacrifice the longevity of your beauty? With BronzeBites, that's exactly what we're offering you, giving your skin the protection it deserves while also giving you that gorgeous glow that you desire without sacrificing that long-term beauty. So with BronzeBites, that's exactly what we're giving you, a chance to break that harmful tanning cycle while giving your skin the protection it deserves and also giving you that gorgeous glow you desire. I understand that you're skeptical, that you maybe doubt that you've tried a miracle product before, but this is something very unique and different and completely natural. But I want you to ask yourself what's at stake here. 5, 10, 15 years down the line, what are you going to look like if you keep going down the current path that you're on? People taking BronzeBites typically see results in just a few weeks. And the longer they take them, typically the better the results, not just in terms of their skin and their tan, but in their overall skin's health and their overall glow. So here's my promise to you. Take BronzeBites, take it for 45 days, take 2 gummies a day. Try it out. See if you notice a difference and improvement in your skin's overall health. And if you're not completely satisfied, reach out to our amazing team and we'll make it right.